What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dropping another video today. We're just putting on the cold side on the car so I can put the bumper back on. I also got some clear reflectors for it. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got some clear reflectors. Make it look clean. So this is pretty much what's going on right here. There's a Trestone intercooler I had gotten. Got some quick, cheap brackets made on them. You know, I don't really care as long as they bolt up, and I'm fine. Just gotta drill out the holes a little bit better, and because there only has one bolt on each side, so maybe put the other bolt there so it's a little more sturdy. But yeah, I actually had put on the pipes like honestly a few weeks ago. This is how they look. You know, 3-inch on from the throttle body, but then here it converts to 2.5 into the intercooler. So I'm gonna just do right now, I just put on the couplers right there, and then probably the lower charge pipe, have that all in place, and pretty much it, guys. I'm waiting on my turbo that I ordered a few days ago. Still waiting on my manifold. I'm not missing anything. I literally have everything for the car. Just waiting on parts. Gee, big boys. I love these wheels. Look so good. So yeah, I just get straight to it. Just real easy. 2 clamps each side. Alright, guys, this is actually like literally the next day. Yesterday I got a little complicated with some stuff, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. Kind of my fault. I didn't really have to do what I did until I realized after like looking at some pictures, other people's pictures and stuff. Let me just show you guys. And either way, this bumper has to lift up. Just, right now it's sagging, so the bumper it will sit like this on both sides, like that. My bad, guys, for the recording. So as you can see here, yeah, I had to chop my bumper because this whole corner right here was hitting the intercooler. And my bumper was sticking out like, focus. My bumper on this side was just sticking out. But as you can see now, it's all lined up. I need to order these stuff for the bumper, the little tab that goes under here, and put the correct, you know, things there. So yeah, guys, that's how it looks. I have my MAF sensors, but I don't have the screws. I actually forgot about that. I gave away my my stock intakes. I gave them away with the sensors, and they had the freaking bolts on them. Completely forgot when I sold that. But whatever, they're cheap. They're like $4 or something. I think they're like $4. No, wait, they're cheaper than that. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. I wish I could go a little bit more back, but got this car behind me. This intercooler right there. I mean, this bumper's gonna stay on forever. So, and I'm never gonna sell it, so I don't really care. And either way, if I was to sell it, I'd still be able to sell that because the rest of the bumper's in great condition. But yeah, that's about it. Like, I just wanted to put the cold side on so I don't have to have my bumper off, having the car looking ratchet. What you guys think about those yellow calipers with the blue? I might as well end up taking that Nismo sticker off, just because they aren't the actual Nismo models. But yes, sir. The turbo should take about like a month to get here, so I'm hoping like end of January, and then that's around the time that the manifold should be getting here as well. So if they come in at around the same time, that'd be great. Have this car back up and running and tuning. I might just end up dyno tuning and drive it up to Tampa with Martin. I mean, street tuning is cool and all, but dyno tuning, you know, you get there quick, in and out. Street tuning is like emails back and forth, and yeah. So I already have the car. The car has a base map. So it would drive over there. I was driving the car like that just fine with the base map ahead. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Today's actually Sunday the 24th, Christmas Eve. So I woke up early just to do this, and then yeah, but the car looks great. Alright, I got everything closed up, the hood and everything. So yeah, guys, this party, well, it's not the final picture of the car. It's not the final version of the car. I still have to paint the hood and fix that hole on the hood. But you know, everything's money. Right now it's not the best time just because of Christmas, holidays and everything, gifts. So, but I did buy my turbo, so yeah, guys. What's next? I think most likely you guys won't see a video until the manifold or turbo comes in, because honestly I don't know what else to do to the car for content. I'll think of something. Maybe give it like a nice detailed video, you know, washing the undercarriage of the car, interior, engine bay. Might do that just out of boredness. And to me, honestly, watching those videos, like when I watch them myself, they're super satisfying. So maybe someone sees it satisfying, washing a boosted Z. That to me looks nice. Still a bucket, but it's nice. And I'm actually glad I didn't cut my interior and gut it and stuff. I mean, only my trunk is gutted, but that's about it. Looks good. So yeah, guys, that's about it for this video. Nothing much else. You can see the intake tubing from in here. Straight on the intakes. What's good about the turbo that I ordered, I mean, I know I mentioned it already. It's oilless, air cooled, so I don't have to run any plumbing or anything. So I sold my scavenge pump and all that. I sold it for a pretty good price, 400 bucks. So that's money that helped also. So yeah, guys, can't wait to be driving this thing, gapping some cars in Mexico. But yeah, guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I always appreciate the support. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.